Annual vegetables and herbs bolt to seed as part of their life cycle, but when it happens early, that's a problem. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why it happens. Before we get started, I just have to say, the subject of this video is bolting to seed, which also happens to be the title of my new novel, the sequel to Garden Variety. So check out gardenerd.com for more information about this. Now let's get back to the subject at hand. Okay, first let's talk about what bolting to seed is. It is when a plant will grow tall and there'll be more space between, it sends up a big flower stalk and there's more space between the leaf sets as that happens, and then it forms a flower on the top, and then those flowers set seed, and then the plant dies, those seeds dry, and they scatter to make the next generation of plant. It can happen early though when there are 3 stresses. Let's talk about those individually. First, day length. Some plants are day length related, meaning if the number of daylight hours you have starts to exceed the number of daylight hours that they are comfortable with growing in their growing conditions, they decide, or that triggers, oh, it must be the end of the season, I'm going to bolt to seed. And that's not a very scientific way of explaining it. When you see on your seed packets it says cool season vegetables, it really wants those shorter length of days in order to do well. Number 2 is heat. Here at Gardenerd headquarters, it's winter, but I'm in a t-shirt because we've had some really hot days lately, 85 degrees in the middle of winter. It happens, and that will trigger stress of a different kind, where these guys will want to just give up the ghost. So trying to keep your plants shaded and cool helps prevent that from happening if it's hot out. If you're trying to grow something in the wrong season, like for example, if it's a cold season vegetable and you're growing it in a warm season, it's too hot for that vegetable to exist comfortably, and that causes stress. And number 3 is similar to number 2. Heat is often related to drought stress. If your irrigation goes off or you haven't watered in a long time, that can also trigger premature bolting to seed. Tender greens and herbs that prefer cooler seasons, they like consistent moisture, and if that goes away, they get stressed. And when they get stressed, they're like, oh, it's the end of my life, gotta send up a flower stalk, end of season. There are other reasons why plants prematurely bolt to seed, like poor nutrients in the soil, but stick to those top 3 for the most part and you're on your way. So to prevent things from bolting to seed too soon, 1, grow them in the season they're supposed to be grown in. 2, keep some shade cloth handy if you're having some hot days in the forecast. And 3, make sure your watering is consistent. I hope this helps explain the phenomenon of bolting to seed that annual plants do every year. If for more information about plant cycles and growing food in your home, go to gardenerd.com, check out my books, including the new one, Bolting to Seed, and my online courses that will help you plan out your garden and keep pests at bay, and all kinds of other stuff at gardenerd.com. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon supporters gain access to behind-the-scenes videos and expedited answers to your burning gardening questions. Happy gardening!